Welcome back to learn PHP on Codecademy. We're in the PHP numbers section. This is exponentiation. PHP gives us an operator for raising a number to the power of another number, the exponentiation operator. For example, we can square a number by raising it to the power of 2. Here we have echo 4 to the second power, print 16. We can also use this operator on floats and negative numbers. Here we have echo 2.89 to the power of 3.2. Here we have echo 10 to the power of negative 1. And it prints the correct value. For PHP to interpret this operator correctly, it can't have any spaces between the two asterisk characters. This here would result in an error. Let's do some more math. Our instructions say use echo and the exponent operator to print the value of 8 squared to the terminal. Let's do that now. Run that, and we do pass. We do get 64 printed to the console. What we're learning here, just another operator, and that is the exponentiation operator, which allows us to raise a number to the power we specify. As long as you're getting that, you got this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.